Hi students, welcome to GMR Maths classes. Today we are going to discuss about exercise 11.4 from trigonometry. The first question, evaluate the following 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta, 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. Now write 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta as it is, and cot theta can be written as 1 by tan theta minus cosecant theta. Next, 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta. So 1 into tan theta plus 1 minus tan theta cosecant theta by tan theta. Now 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into, so tan theta plus 1 or 1 plus tan theta are the same, so write in order 1 plus tan theta minus, so tan theta into cosecant theta. Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta into cosecant theta. So these two are reciprocal to each other. Then we get 1 by cos theta is equal to secant theta. That is 1 plus tan theta minus secant theta by tan theta. Next, 1 plus tan theta make as a group plus secant theta. Here also make 1 plus tan theta as one group minus secant theta, okay, by tan theta. Now is it in the form of a plus b, a minus b? Is it in the form of a plus b into a minus b? That is a square minus b square. That is 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan theta whole square minus secant theta whole square by tan theta. Then now 1 plus tan theta whole square expand by using a plus b whole square. That is 1 square means 1 plus 2 into ab. A means 1, b means tan theta. 2 tan theta plus b square means tan square theta minus secant square theta by tan theta. Right? Next, here tan square theta minus secant square theta is there. So 1 plus 2 tan theta minus of secant square theta minus tan square theta. So ఇక్కడ మనం మైనస్ ను కామన్ తీసుకున్నాం by tan theta. But we know that secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. That is 1 plus 2 tan theta minus 1 by tan theta. Now plus 1 minus 1 cancel out, then 2 tan theta by tan theta. Now tan theta cancel out, the final answer is 2. So here we used sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1, reciprocal concept, and we used here trigonometric identity secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Two questions, I copied these two questions here. Now the second question, sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. So this sum we can solve in two methods, by using algebraic identity directly, and the one more thing by expanding. Okay, so it is in the form of a plus b whole square minus plus of a minus b whole square. So that is a is equal to sin theta, b is equal to cos theta, b is equal to cos theta. Now first we are doing in expanded form. A plus b whole square sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. This one is the expanded form of sin theta plus cos theta whole square. Next, a minus b whole square sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Now remove the brackets. So there is a positive sign before the bracket. So while removing the bracket, no need to change the signs of the terms involved in the bracket because there is a positive sign before the bracket. Okay. Now simply can remove. So at the same time, here sin square theta becomes 2 sin square theta. Here cos square theta is there, plus 2 cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Now plus 2 sin theta minus 2 sin theta cancel out. By making 2 as a common factor, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 2 into 1 is equal to 2. This is one method. So other method we can use directly formula, that is, we know that a plus b whole square plus of a minus b whole square is equal to 2 of a square plus b square. 2 of a square plus b square. That is 2 into a square means sin square theta plus b square means cos square theta is equal to 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Now in the objective part we can use this kind of formulas. Square theta minus 1 into cosecant square theta minus 1. We know that secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. If we transpose 1 to here, then we get secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta, and cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. If you transpose 1 to here, cosecant square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. And third identity, cot theta into tan theta is equal to 1. These three we are going to, this one we are going to use here. So now the question, secant square theta minus 1 into cosecant square theta minus 1. So secant square theta minus 1 is replaced by tan square theta into cosecant square theta minus 1 is replaced by cot square theta is equal to tan theta into cot theta whole square. So that is tan theta into cot theta are reciprocal to each other. That is 1 whole square is equal to 1 is the final answer. So now the second question is, show that cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Now the LHS part, cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to, cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sine, that is 1 by sin theta. Cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. We know that a to the power m by a by b whole to the power m is equal to a to the power m by b to the power m. That is 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. Okay, and a minus b whole square can be written as a minus b into a minus b, that is product of two binomials, that is 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. And because the numerator is in the form of in terms of cos, so denominator we must change in terms of cos. For that we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then cos square theta, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta can be written as 1 square minus cos theta whole square. Again here it is in the form of a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. Now instead of sin square theta, write this 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Now the numerator is a product form and the denominator also product form. Okay, numerator is having two factors, denominator also having two factors, but one is common factor 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta cancel out. Then 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta is the required answer. Show that 1 plus square root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a is equal to secant a plus tan a. Secant a plus tan a. Okay. 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. One plus sin a divided by cos a and 1 minus sin a divided by cos a are written. The numerator and denominator is divided with cos. Why? Because the answer is in terms of secant and tan. So that is root of 1 by cos a secant a plus tan a by 1 by cos a secant a sin a by cos a tan a 1 by cos a secant a minus sin a by cos a tan a. Now the numerator and denominator is multiplied by secant a plus tan a. Why? If you multiply the denominator and numerator secant a plus tan a, what will happen? The denominator becomes 1. How? See here, secant a minus tan a, it is in the form of a plus b into a plus b, that is secant a plus tan a whole square by here square root of a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. We know that secant square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. So square root of secant a plus tan a whole square by 1. Now square root square get cancelled. Then final answer is secant a plus tan a. Final answer is secant a plus tan a. So that 1 minus tan square a by cot square a minus 1 is equal to tan square a. So let us take 1 minus tan square a by cot square a minus 1, because answer is in tan square a. So in the LHS part, the numerator is in tan terms and the denominator is in terms of cot. So now cot term convert as tan, because the required answer is in terms of tan. That is 1 minus tan square a by cot a can be written as 1 by tan a whole square minus 1. That is 1 minus tan square a by 1 minus tan square a divided by tan square a. Okay. Then the denominator is going to reciprocal. Then 1 minus tan square a by 1 minus tan square a into tan square a. Now 1 minus tan square a, 1 minus tan square a cancel out. The final answer is tan square a. You know the trigonometric identities, then we can easily solve this kind of questions. Show that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta into sin theta. First write LHS part. 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. So let it be 1. Now by doing cross multiplication, 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta we get. But we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. If you transpose cos square theta to RHS part, then sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. Now 1 minus cos square theta is replaced by sin square theta. Sin square theta by cos theta. Now for example, a square by b means a into a by b, that is a by b into a. Similarly, sin square theta by cos theta means sin theta by cos theta into cos theta. Okay, sorry, sin theta. The sin square now, sin theta. Okay, now sin by cos we know that tan theta, and write sin theta as it is. So this one is the required answer. The sixth question, simplify secant A of 1 minus sin A of secant A plus tan A. Okay, first we simplify these two. That is secant A of 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. Now secant A into 1, secant A minus secant A into sin A, secant A sin A into secant A plus tan A, secant A plus tan A. Secant A minus secant A can be written as 1 by cos A into sin A. Secant and cos are reciprocal to each other, so secant is replaced by 1 by cos. So into secant A plus tan A. Now secant A minus sin A by cos A, tan A into secant A plus tan A, secant A plus tan A. Now A minus B into A plus B, that is A square minus B square. Therefore secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. Secant, the value of the given sum is 1. Sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A plus B whole square. Again A plus B whole square. Now let us take the LHS part. Sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. Now expand by using A plus B whole square these two terms. That is sin square A plus 2 sin A cosecant A plus cosecant square A. So A square plus 2AB plus B square plus A plus B whole square again. Cos square A plus 2 cos A secant A plus secant square A. Secant square A. Now remove the brackets. Sin square A plus 2 into sin A cosecant A, both are reciprocal. Its product is 1 plus cosecant square A plus here cos square A. Again 2 into cos A into secant A, both are reciprocal to each other into 1. Cos A into secant A is 1, that is 2 into 1 plus secant square A. Now 2 plus 2, 4 plus sin square A plus cos square A. Sin square A plus cos square A. Later here cosecant square A plus secant square A is there. Secant square A. 4 plus sin square A plus cos square A is 1 plus cosecant square A secant square A is there. So write the identities. Cosecant square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. Here cosecant square A is there, but in RHS part there is no cosecant. So convert cosecant square A into terms of cot. That is cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. That is cosecant square A is replaced by 1 plus cot square A plus. So in RHS part there is no secant square A. It is tan square A is there. That is secant square A can be replaced by in terms of tan. For that secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. make secant square a as the subject, then secant square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a. 1 plus tan square a. Now instead of secant square a, replace this value. 1 plus tan square a. Now 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a is the required answer. Okay. Then simplify 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. So let us write 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. So if you observe this, it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. That is a square minus b square. That is 1 minus cos square theta we get here. That is 1 plus cot square theta. But 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. And we know that 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. That is sin theta into cosecant theta whole square. That is 1 whole square is equal to 1. Okay. So secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P. Then what is the value of secant theta minus tan theta? So we have secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. It is in the form of a square minus b square. That is secant theta minus tan theta into secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1. But secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P. It is given. That is secant theta minus tan theta into P. That is secant theta plus tan theta is replaced by quantity P is equal to 1. That is secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by P. Secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by P. Now last question from exercise 11.4. If cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k, then prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So cosecant theta plus cot theta is k. It is given. Let it be 1. We know that cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1 implies cosecant theta minus cot theta into cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to 1. Now cosecant theta plus cot theta is replaced by k. That is cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to into k is equal to 1. Next, cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. Let it be 2. Now by solving this 1 and 2 trigonometric equations to get eliminating method or substitution method, okay, or cross multiplication method. So like that we have to simplify here. Cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k. Cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. So let me explain. Cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k. Cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. Now by adding plus cot theta minus cot theta get cancelled. So 2 cosecant theta is equal to k plus 1 by k. K plus 1 by k. That is cosecant theta is equal to k plus 1 by k by 2. That is k square plus 1 by 2k. Cosecant theta value is k square plus 1 by 2k. Now next we can replace this value in any one of the two equations, or in the first case we added these two trigonometric equations. Next case we can subtract from one to another. That is cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to 1k, cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. Now we are going to do subtraction here. So while doing subtraction, the signs of the second expression will be changed. Plus becomes, here plus is there, no sign is there, then we can treat as plus. Plus becomes minus, minus become plus. Okay, here also minus. Now cosecant theta plus cosecant theta and minus cosecant theta cancel out. That is plus plus, both are have same signs and like terms. That is 2 cot theta is equal to k minus 1 by k. Then cot theta is equal to k square minus 1 by 2k. K square minus 1 by 2k. Cosecant theta is equal to k square plus 1 by 2k. Cot theta is equal to k square minus 1 by 2k. Now cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta, right? Cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin. K square plus 1 by 2k. Cot theta is equal to k square minus 1 by 2k. Now if you divide cosecant theta by cot theta is equal to cosecant theta by cot theta is cos theta by sin theta, right? Then cosecant theta into sin theta by cos theta. Okay, that is cosecant and sin are reciprocal to each other. That is 1 by cos theta. What we have here? 1 by cos theta. Cosecant theta by cot theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Okay. So your cosecant theta value is what? Cosecant theta by cot theta is equal to, cosecant theta is k square plus 1 by 2k by cot theta is k square minus 1 by 2k. That is k square plus 1 by 2k into 2k by k square minus 1. Now 2k cancel out, then k square plus 1 by k square minus 1. But we have cosecant theta by cot theta is equal to 1 by cos. 1 by cos theta. But we need cos theta. So reciprocal on both sides. Then cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Hence proved. Hence proved. Okay. ఇలాగా మనకు మొత్తం 4 ఎక్సర్సైజ్ ఉన్న ట్రిగనామెట్రీలో ఇవన్నీ కూడా మనం కవర్ చేసాం. వీటిలో మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో చెప్పచ్చు, ఇంతకుముందే చెప్పినాము. అలాగే మనం లెంత్ ఆఫ్ వీడియోను కూడా తగ్గించాము. మొదట్లో 50 minutes 44 అట్లా ఉండింది. సో తప్పనిసరి పరిస్థితులు అయితే మోర్ దాన్ 40 minutes ఉంచుతాము, లేకపోతే 30 minutes వరకు లేదా బిలో 30 minutes పెడదాం. ఎందుకంటే మీరు ఎక్కువసేపు సెల్లు చూడడం వల్ల ఇబ్బంది వస్తుంది కాబట్టి. సో 30 minutes ఉండేటట్టు ప్లాన్ చేసి వీడియోస్ డైలీ అప్డేట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాను. మీరు ఖచ్చితంగా ఈ వీడియోలో చెప్పినటువంటి సమ్స్ మీకు బాగా అర్థమైనట్టయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కు షేర్ చేయండి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.